Hello Algebra 1. Today we are reviewing for our Unit 12 quiz. So our first problem, we have the data below shows the number of pencils a student uses over the course of a month. And yay for us, these numbers are already in order. So the first question we're asked is what is the total of the numbers? So we're just going to go ahead and type them into our calculator. All right, so I've added all these numbers up in my calculator and I got a 221. So now I need to find the mean. So in order to find the mean, I just take my total, which is 221, divided by how many data points there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to divide by 12. And if necessary, we round to the nearest hundredth. So this is an 18.42 pencils. Now we're going to go ahead and find the mode. The mode is what occurs most frequently. And so we can see there are two 15s and there are two 32s. So this is 15 and 32. Okay. Next, we're going to find the 5-number summary. So the minimum is 4, that is the lowest, and the maximum is 32. And to find my median, since these are already in order, I'm just going to go back and forth to find the middle number. Now, since this is 12 data points, that means I'm going to have two numbers in the middle. So I actually need to find the average of these two middle numbers in order to find the median. So this is 15 plus 20 divided by 2. And be careful when you type that in. You have to add them first, enter, then divide by 2. And that's going to be 17.5 for my median. Okay, so now to find Q1, again, you are going to use this 15, okay, because it wasn't our median, and we're going to go back and forth. And again, you have two numbers in the middle, so we're going to find the average of them. 10 plus 11 divided by 2. Oops, not 22. And you can also just think of this as what number is right between 10 and 11, and that's going to be 10.5. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Cancel, cancel, cancel. You have two numbers in the middle. So 24 plus 28 divided by 2. Or you can just think of what number is between 24 and 28, and that is 26. So now we're going to go ahead and make a box plot. Make sure that you have a label and a title, because this does give you context. So this is the number of pencils, and I'm just going to jump by 5s. And you need a title as well. So this is I'm just going to say pencil usage. Okay, and now I'm ready to plot my points. So 4, 10.5, 17.5, 26, and 32. And then again, your min and your max, make your whiskers. And the other 3, make the boxes. And then please make sure you label your 5-number summary on your box plot. All right, next, IQR. IQR interquartile range we find by doing Q3 minus Q1, and that's going to just be a 15.5. Range of the data, that's our max minus our min. So 32 minus 4, which is a 28. What does this mean? So the range is just the difference between the min and max pencils used. All right. So next we're going to talk about histograms. You have this histogram here. What is the shape of this histogram and what does this mean? This says distribution of exam scores. So these are some test scores. We would call this skew left because we have less data points on the left. Specifically, this means we have less bad scores, okay, because those are the type of scores on the left. or you could say less low scores. How many students scored between a 71 and 100%? We just have to figure out what bars those are. 71 to 80 is here, 81 to 90, and then 91 to 100. So 71 to 100 is those 3 bars, and now we have to look at the frequency. This is right between 14 and 16, so it would be 15. This is a 10, and then this is right between a 2 and a 4, it looks like, so that's a 3. So we're just going to go ahead and add each of those bars up, and that should be 28 students. Okay, and then finally we have what is the range between the scores. So again, range is max minus min. Our max is going to be 100, and it looks like our min is 1. And so the range is a 99%. All right, there you go. That's our review for our quiz. I hope you have a great day. Bye.